बोलो। Good evening. Hello, everyone. Welcome you all to this lively session of Spoken Mate. Hope everyone is keeping safe and healthy. I am Shweta Gupta. I am your coach for today's session. So, today's session is very relevant and important for each one of us as all of us are facing this pandemic situation. It has brought a turmoil to the whole country. Everyone is stressful, worried, anxiety, painful, agony. So many of us have lost our jobs. People have had huge losses in their business. Most of us are looking for jobs to grow in this situation. But with due thanks, hello. But with due thanks to the awesome technology, we have the option of seeking job online, for which it is very important to face the interview and crack it. Without much delay, I would like to introduce today's topic, tips for online interview. Not only in this pandemic situation, but also interviews we face overseas or out of our home city. I would be sharing wonderful tips with all of you. So let's get started with this session. I would request each one of you to keep a diary and a pen so that you can note down the important points. So I would like to give you 30 seconds. So kindly please go and collect your diary and pen if you don't have. So thank you so much. So I hope everyone has got a diary and a pen. So now, firstly, I would like to start with digital handshake. So I hope all of you know the meaning of digital handshake. So what is digital handshake? Anybody from audience can answer this question? So anybody? Okay, so digital handshake, it means to get familiar with the technology. We should practice beforehand. We should have the app and software downloaded in advance and should use it before rather than directly using it on the first time at the time of our interview. We should keep a good check on the connectivity as our Wi-Fi or internet connections are well organized. Online interviews are equally important as in-person interviews, and it should be given the same weightage as in-person interview. In fact, online interviews are a bit more challenging than offline interviews. We need to make more efforts for online interviews. So they should be prepared thoroughly. Make sure all your equipment is working fine, and this should be done before the interview. Check your webcam, your microphone, the fitting of the plug in the power socket, etc. If you can arrange for backup power in case there is a power outage. So always check these as it will cause a havoc and chaos in your interview. And always have a practice before in hand for the interview, for the technology which you are using, in which device you will be using. So now pay attention to the light also. So pick the right spot. So what do you mean by pick the right spot? Anybody from the audience? So pick the spot right means that you have to pick up the place or pick up the room where there is absolute silence and you can really give the interview in peace without any noise. And the room should have a perfect lighting. So pay attention to the lighting. You want your interview space to be well lit so that your interviewer will be able to see your face and not just a grainy, blurry image of where it should be. Make sure that the lighting in your space is sufficient to give a clear image, but not so bright that it washes everything out. So you really channelize your lighting in the room. Follow up. So this was the digital handshake. Now we will come to the room. Make sure that you sit alone in one room where there is no noise. Clear the space where you will be giving the interview. The table should be neat and tidy. Only keep a folder and a diary and a pen on the table and nothing more than that. So no cups, no mugs, no any eating things on your table because that will distract you. A pen with you, make sure that the background is of a wall. So wherever you're sitting in the room, make sure that the background is of a wall or it should be plain so that it does not distract the interviewer. So it should be the view should be very clean and clear. And inform a responsible person in the house before your interview starts so that they can make sure that no one comes in the room while you are being interviewed. Right? So always make sure and eliminate distractions. Third point is eliminate distractions. That is, if you have any gadget or your mobile phone or anything with you, kindly put them on silent or switch them off for that particular time when you are giving your interview. The next tip is that always wear a smile during the interview. That will really give a positive impact to the interviewer, especially while giving your introduction. So believe me, introduction just takes first 20 seconds are just given to the introduction and just trust me, the interviewer will judge you in your 20 seconds. So first 20 seconds are very crucial and important for you. So don't hesitate or don't fumble in those 20 seconds. Be confident. Believe in yourself that you are the best. Next tip we come down is dress professionally. So as all of us are giving the interview at home, so we had that lazy and little lethargic kind of an attitude. But no, we have to avoid that attitude. We should dress up properly as we are going for the personal face-to-face interview. Wear formals, absolute formals, iron shirt, trousers, and formal shoes. Most of us do this mistake of not wearing shoes and socks. So how many of you do this mistake? I'm sure many of them must be doing this mistake of not wearing shoes and socks and just sitting there for the interview. So avoid this. Trust me, it really works. You will really feel professional and you will have that feel that you are actually giving that face-to-face interview. And for the color, for the dress code, I would suggest you that you should always go for navy, dark gray, or black suits, which are best colors for especially men. Avoid all bright colors, which will not give a good impression to the interviewer. So, of course, nails should always be well trimmed. Wear a wrist watch. It will give you a feel of professionalism. And of course, you can wear a soft cologne, which will give you positive vibes in your environment. So now next we have calm yourself. So this word interview, it's really a havoc for ourselves, right? We always feel that oh my god, interview आ रहा है, हम कैसे करेंगे, क्या होगा, nervousness, anxiety, we are so much tensed. कि oh my god, मैं क्या करूँगा, कैसे करूँगा. But you don't have to do that. Believe me, calm yourself. Just calm yourself and believe that you will crack it. You will actually win over the interview. You will actually just believe in your potential. that yes, you are the best and you will clear the interview. Right? So now next we have maintain eye contact. So whenever you are talking with you're having the conversation with the interviewer, so always maintain that eye contact. That is like how you can maintain that eye contact. You can just put the webcam on. So where the webcam is on, you can just put your little body posture forward towards the webcam. Okay? And don't look here and there. Just try to focus on the interviewer. So that will really give a positive impact to the interviewer that you are listening to him in a very concentrative manner. So now I would just sum up this like what we do always. Okay, sit upright with the correct posture, keep a notebook, clean trimmed fingernails with no glaring polish. Of course, this is for women. Well groomed hairstyle. Again, this goes for women. And minimum makeup. Right? And never you should do, never keep your hands on the table. Never ever. And don't lean the body on the table. No ornaments. This is for women. Never make unnecessary hand body movements. Never switch off on white frequently. This means like sometimes we are actually fiddling with a laptop or mobile and we are operating on sub tabs. So we should avoid doing that because the interviewer will come to know that we are fiddling with something. So next is like possibilities of online interview going bad. So this is one of the possibility. What we do like when we are actually giving the interview, we are letting the people in or maybe our pets or anybody in our room. So we should always try to avoid that. Then next is we should always avoid that nobody should come in. We should actually lock the door and sit in the room. Then we should like we are all are giving the interviews online, right? We are staying with our families, so we should always tell the person whoever is the head of the family outside to really control the children so that they don't make any noise or scream at that very particular moment. Then next we should not have any babies crying or cranking babies during that period. So now let me know. These are the actually diagrams which I would like to share, which will really make your interview bad. So we want that our interview should really go the best. So avoid these things. Number one is like we have this habit of saying, let me know when you can see my screen. So no, avoid all these points which I'll be sharing with you. Are you on mute? Nothing from my side. Adapting to the new normal. Like we have this tendency of saying that we are adapting to the new normal. That means we are adapting the new technology, so it's taking time. So please kindly avoid this. Practice in hand, practice before you are breaking up. Like we are talking about the voice. Whenever we think that we cannot hear, we always say this, you're breaking up. So try to control these phrases. So can you hear me? I need to jump on another call. So this everybody knows. You cannot jump to another call when you are with the interviewer. So you just have to concentrate on that particular interviewer. Your connection is bad. Could you repeat what you said? So please kindly sit with an attentive and presence of mind so that you can hear what the interviewer is saying. Excuse the background noise. So do not say these points ever whenever you are facing an online interview. So now we will have some terms like the other person, like the interviewer, he can actually ask the questions in a very twisty manner, so that we get confused. So it's like tell me something about yourself. So that these are all tips which I am giving you for the introduction. So second is run. Take me through your resume. So again, this is like he knows about the resume. He knows everything because you have already submitted your resume before. So it's just that he is checking your confidence. So don't lose your confidence. Talk in brief about yourself, not about your family, not about your relatives, not about your friends. Just talk only about yourself. Then tell us something about you which is not there in your resume. So again, this means he's asking about your introduction. So there you really have to be very confident. You have to be very fluent. Don't stumble or fumble that very moment, because Interview means that he is judging you from your speaking, from your body language, from your behavioral aspects. Other tip is tell us one unique thing about you. So you can always tell your positive point. Tell us only about your work related attributes. So you can just talk very professionally about your profession to him. So any queries or any doubts till now, so you can already ask me in your comment box. So I'm ready to answer all your queries. So any queries, you can easily ask me without hesitation, without any worries or without any, this thing, hesitation. So now we come down to the next slide. So questions you should ask, like suppose your interview is about to end. So these are the questions you should always ask. You should ask about the company, like how much excited and how much, you are really keen in knowing about the company. Like you can ask how is the company doing, what is the strength of the company, what is the revenue of the company, right? Then second is about your position. Third is questions about the possible career in the company, like what growth or till what level you can reach. Then the other one is questions about an individual role. So you should always have in that interactive session so that the interviewer thinks that you are very much positive and you're very much inquisitive to know about the company's whereabouts. So you should always ask questions. Then how it should end, right? So don't enter a video without some remarks on the interview. So you should always, give a positive feedback about the interview, right? So don't just end the video. Tell the interviewer that you like the interview. Always tell him that you are really liking the interview, you're enjoying the interview very much. Tell him that you would like to work in this company, that this job is very interesting for you. So you can say that this job is exactly what I was looking for. So I'm very much interested in this job and I will do my best. Ask your interviewer what she is thinking about this interview. So you can ask him also or she that what feedback will he give to you. So always ask about the feedback. So this will show that you're very much interested in the company and about your job profile, about your profession. So this was the I would say these are the basic very important tips which we should actually imbibe and inherit for the online interviews. These tips will really work and it will really make you crack the interview to the best. So I would really love to hear that all of you would really follow these tips. And I would really love to hear the feedback also about this session. So any more queries, any questions, you can please go ahead and ask. I will be very obliged to answer all your questions and all your queries.